There are 3 mindset habits that you have that are holding you back from being successful. Now, successful can be in any area of life. Successful in relationships, successful healing your skin naturally, or successful in business, successful at your own business, whatever it is, we're talking about success. And there's 3 mindset habits that are holding you back from reaching the levels of success that you are looking for. The very first mindset habit that you are having that's holding you back is the idea of winning versus losing, where you have a black and white image of I have either done it 100% perfect or I'm not going to do it at all. So it's a win-lose sort of situation, a win or fail situation. And I want to teach you a way of rethinking through that so it's not so black and white as to win and lose, because there's a psychological flaw with that mindset. And the flaw here is that when you have a win or lose situation, if you don't do something absolutely perfect, you've now essentially given up and now you think you've failed. And instead of working towards something, you're like, well, forget it. And so what this could look like is you want to eat on a specific diet. And breakfast, lunch, you do a great job. Actually, I'm going to redo this. So let's say for breakfast, you do a perfect job. For lunch, you decide to eat fast food. So now, because you have failed, right, you're not doing everything exactly perfect the way you wanted to, now you've completely given up. So the rest of the day is a wash, the rest of the week is a wash, and so now you've actually truly failed. And so shifting this mindset of win versus fail, black versus white, into, okay, I am determined and I have discipline towards success. And so this then shifts winning versus losing to success versus redirection. And if you've ever read the book Outwitting the Devil by Napoleon Hill, it actually kind of dives into this idea. So if you want to learn more about this, go look into that book. But the idea here is you're either going to succeed or you're going to redirect. So success feels really good. It means, okay, I'm hitting wins. If you're failing, if you're not hitting your wins, you need to redirect. So it's not win versus lose. If you want to be successful, it's either success or it's redirection. You're either getting wins or you need to redirect something that's not working out in your favor. The second habit that you have that's holding you back from being successful is this mindset of you're a victim. And you may not even notice that you have these tendencies about you. You may be like, no. I'm a very nice person. I have a great attitude. I do not victimize yourself. However, victimization looks like a lot of different things. It often looks like excuses and complaints, which is something you have to completely remove from your mindset if you want to succeed in anything. If there's always a condition for why you can't do something, there's always a condition for why you can't do something. And so by removing the conditions and giving yourself no choice other than to succeed, you're able to actually hit your targets and succeed because there's nothing stopping you. If it's, well, I can't eat healthy because I'm really busy, make time. Stay up till midnight. Give yourself 30 minutes, okay? Instead of watching TV, you're gonna then meal prep, right? Busy isn't gonna cut it. There's no excuse. If you want something bad enough, there's no excuse or complaint that can hold you back from that. It's not a I can't because, it's a how can I? So we don't say I can't because, we say how can I? How can I eat healthy when I'm so busy? So then you open up your mind to receive all the different ideas of how you can eat the way that you want to eat. The third mindset habit that's preventing you from being successful is the idea that you're not worthy. And this is also a subconscious, unconscious belief that you have about yourself that you may not even know is there. So something that may be holding you back is, oh, I don't think I'm worthy of clear skin. I don't think I'm worthy of being really successful. There's people who have something that I don't have that get to be successful. The only thing that they have that you don't have are these changes in mindset. Your mindset is everything. If you want to be successful, you have to change your mindset. And so you literally, the only thing you're missing are these mindset pieces and training your mind towards success and these successful habits in our minds, okay? That's the literal only thing that's missing. Yes, people are born wealthy. That means nothing. There's people that are born wealthy that blow it all. There's people that are born healthy that succeed. And so you're not missing anything. And you're so worthy of everything innately. If you have a faith that you follow, all faith basically says you're innately worthy and you're so loved. And you have to know that. You're no different. Genuinely, you are the same makeup as any other person in this world. There's nothing different between you and somebody else. You may be saying, well, I have eczema that covers my entire body and I feel ugly and I have no confidence. That has nothing to do with your worth. You're still worthy of clear skin. You're still worthy of success in business. You're still worthy of success in relationships. And shifting that mindset and making sure that you know how worthy you are is everything. And to develop this, you may have to brainwash yourself. What that looks like is when I was developing my self-worth, I literally would just listen to everything telling me how worthy I am. I would play affirmations talking about worthiness. I would say affirmations. I would write affirmations. I would create definitions of what my own worthiness looks like. And so by shifting these 3 mindset habits, it will get you so much closer to success than ever before. You're missing nothing but changing your mindset. Your mindset creates your reality. So thank you so much for watching this video. And please subscribe to my channel. I am making content like this now. We do life coaching, we do health coaching, and we're gonna combine all of it so that we can live our most healthy and successful lives. I will see you in my next video. Bye.